हेलो चिल्ड्रंस, टुडे लेने वाले स्मॉल ABCD. A for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means game. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता और डायमंड भी होता है. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for hen. मुर्गी. I for ice cream. जोकर और जेली भी होता है, जेली. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश और होता रोज. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for tiger. Tiger means चीता. U for umbrella. छाता means umbrella. V for vegetables. सब्जी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zoo. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.